everybody, it's your boy EddyOneTake. Today's a beautiful day. It's a day we never seen before and a day we'll never see again. Today we got the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 handheld stabilizer for your iPhone. The reason I got this stabilizer is because as a content creator, I'm always carrying around a heavy camera and I needed something that was portable and good with stability. So here I'm just basically unboxing everything, took off the plastic, opened up the box. Now I'm just basically going through all of the items in the box. We got a handbook. We have the stabilizer. We have the legs. And we also have some mounting clips with the phone mount for the stabilizer. So you can see everything is neatly packed. First thing we're going to start with is the legs, and pretty much simple. Rip it out of the pack. You can spread the legs to sit it down. Perfect. And then this is the main part, which is the actual stabilizer that has the gimbal and motor attached. Pretty small, basically this size of my hand. And then we have the clamp here. The clamp is basically for your phone to go onto the gimbal securely, and it's magnetic. And then we have our box. Let's open this up and see what we have in here, which is a pretty cool Osmo pouch, carrying pouch for the gimbal with some instruction guides. So this is like a microfiber pouch, pretty secure. What I'm going to do right now is just assemble the gimbal, attaching the legs to the body and the motor, and give it a stand up just so you can see how tall it is. It's about the same size as the box in height. And I'll just be inserting the gimbal into the pouch so you can see how it all fits in together when you're on the go. Tighten it up, keep it very, very simple. And this is the Osmo Mobile 6 by DJI. Can't forget your charging cables in there. This is how you're going to charge your gimbal. This is an amazing tool to add to your collection if you are a content creator, if you get content for your business, if you don't have a videographer and you need to be hands-on and do it for yourself. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I will be dropping more content like this. Make sure you leave a comment to let me know what you liked or what you didn't like, to let me know what I can improve on. And if you're a brand owner, business owner, artist, influencer, entrepreneur, or anything like that, and you want help when it comes to marketing, please reach out to me so we can set up a consultation, take you to the next level. All we do is numbers. Appreciate you guys.